Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the Scout 231 XSB. Beautiful boat, guys, just arrived here at the dealership. It's got the black hull, full hull side color, black rub rail with the stainless insert. It's got all the black powder coated T-top and railings. This boat is powered with the Mercury 300 Verado with trim tabs. Plenty of power to get you up and going. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 231. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see it's spacious and roomy. Has a full cushion package with the backrest. Guys, these do pop up so that when you're fishing, you can stand up here. Plenty of storage up front. You also have two cup holders up in the bow. In front of the helm, you'll see it's got the big coffin box style storage. Perfect seating for two full-size adults. Also a nice storage and a fish box. Taking a look at the helm, guys. You'll see this boat is nicely laid out. You've got your Mercury gauges here. You got the black Edson steering wheel, all your switches, Fusion stereo. Guys, this has the upgraded stereo system, subwoofer, and can speakers on the tower as well. Also up top, you've got a Lumitech light bar, which you cannot see, but it's on there. Nice lean post with flip-up bolsters. Taking a look at the back, you'll see you got the rocket launchers across. More rocket launchers on your lean post, cup holders for your beverage, plenty of room for a nice cooler. Also in the back, you've got plenty of storage with these pop-up seats and two live wells. Guys, what a great boat. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.